Uy, may bago daw tayong employee ah. Headhunter pa nagpasok sa kanya.
So sinasabi mo pinahirate siya, gano'n?
Sinasabi ko, bigatin siya. Imagine, kinailangan pa ng headhunter para lang makonvince lumipat sa atin. Siya daw hawak ng new products and services eh.
I'm not threatened at all.
I don't believe you, JC.
Why should I be?
Because if he is really good, siya ang maaaring makakuha ng Sales Award of the Year. Eh, di ba yan ang tinatarget mo, JC, my man?
Well, gawin niya ang trabaho niya, gagawin ko sa akin.
So, may the best man win ang mode mo ngayon.
Of course. But I'm not threatened at all. Hi guys, you all look great.
Eh kasi dumating na yung nirekomenda ng headhunter eh, oh.
Oh, very impressive ang resume, oh. And very impressive din in person.
Maayos din ang projections niya. Very realistic. At magaling sa finance.
Grabe, tatlo ang kaya niyang gawin. O, magaling sa finances, magaling sa programming, at magaling sa systems analysis. 3-in-1. Parang ito, binigay niya sa akin. Ang bait niya, no? Super friendly.
Naku, simula lang yan. May kasabihan nga eh, di ba? New broom sweeps clean.
JC, iba yata yung tunog ng statement na yan. Alam mo, dapat pag-usapan yan over a cup of coffee. Don't tell me na threaten ka ng new guy.
Siguro iniisip mo kung magkano offer sa kanya, no? Or kung mas mataas ang commission scheme niya.
Baka naman nakikita mo siya bilang hadlang. I heard you're eyeing the sales awards this year.
Of course not.
But you know, it's okay to feel threatened. You know, that's good business for the company. Sabay kayong sisipa sa performance. In the end, the company wins.
I see. You're just putting me on the spot.
JC, all have the reasons to be threatened. Kasi he's tall, he's dark, he's handsome, really, really handsome. And when I say handsome, he's really handsome.
Oh, magaling din ang PR. Saka very warm ang personality. Ang dami niyang kinilig na female employees nung pinakilala ko kanina.
Well, I feel that he's going to be an asset to the company. I mean, sa pananalita pa lang, alam na meron siyang hindsight, insight, and foresight.
Kaya lang I feel he's physically weak. Alam mo, yung parang hindi niya kayang ipagtanggol ang sarili niya.
Oh, I agree, Boss Rick.
So what, JC? Do I introduce you to the new guy?
You don't have to. I'll see him myself.
I am glad to hear that.
What happened?
Ayun, pumunta ako sa Elena and I introduced myself. Pinakita ko lang sa kanya that he should be the one threatened and not me.
And then?
Ayun, as described by Boss Rick, he is weak physically.
So, sinindak mo.
Of course! Alam mo naman ako, natural bully.
Did it chicken out?
Hindi.
So, nagsagupaan kayo.
Oo. Yun nga lang, hindi ko alam na black belter pala siya sa Aikido tsaka sa Thai boxing.
So, from now on, you should feel threatened.
Why should I be? I don't need to worry about that anymore. Friends na kami.
Talaga?
Oo. I offered him a cup of coffee. Actually, sa kanya nga to eh. Bigay ko muna sa kanya.
Oh, that's a smart move.